Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TaxJar for sales tax calculations and online selling. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with installing TaxJar for sales tax calculations in your online selling platform, first, go to the TaxJar website. Click on the Sign Up button to create an account. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Once you submit the registration form, check your email for a confirmation link and click it to verify your account. After verification, log into your TaxJar account using your newly created credentials. Next, navigate to the Integrations section found in the main menu. Locate the e-commerce platform you are using for your online store. Click on the corresponding integration button to start the setup process. Follow the provided on-screen instructions to connect your store to TaxJar. You may need to enter your API keys or authentication details during this process. Once connected, configure your sales tax settings as prompted. Select the states where you are required to collect sales tax. Review and adjust the tax settings based on your business needs. Next, set up your sales tax reporting preferences according to your requirements. Inside the TaxJar dashboard, familiarize yourself with the reporting tools available. Use the Sales Tax Report feature to track your sales tax obligations. Monitor your sales tax settings regularly to ensure compliance with changing tax laws. Finally, test the integration by making a sample sale on your store to confirm that sales tax is calculated correctly. This completes your installation of TaxJar for sales tax calculations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.